I'm Chris Sabile, a Yellow Diamond Executive Director, a member of Sante Elite Philippines. I joined Sante last 2015. Nakikita ko na dito ko matutupad yung naudlot na pangarap ko eh. Mahirap tong ginagawa ng mga nagne-network pero para sa akin, ito yung magpapabago ng buhay ko. 2017, I am the first and only leaders ni Sante na pumunta ng Africa. 2018, my first Elite Member Philippines na nakuha ko after 3 years. After 2018, nakuha ko yung first global top distributor ni Sante. And now, yung car incentive ni Sante last 2018, rare na sasakyan dito sa Pilipinas, yung Dodge Nitro. For me, it's one of my great achievement na meron ako neto. Nagawa ko yan because of Sante. Nakakapag-enjoy kami ng partners ko kung saan kami nakakapunta with time and financial freedom talaga. Because of Sante, this is my life right now. Before Sante, I live and work in Japan for almost a decade. My both parents, they have illness. Sinuportahan ko ang both parents ko just to extend their life. So imagine, I lost my savings and I lost my both parents. That time talagang zero balance na ako. Kung may pangarap ka talaga at kailangan mong ipaglaban, wala talagang negative emotion na pwedeng sumira para sa pangarap mo. Nandun yung mindset na whatever it takes, kailangan mo ang negosyo na to para mabago yung buhay mo. Nakikita ko yung sarili ko, in the next 5 years, isa ako sa nagsasalita in front of 1,000 American people. With Sante, I can live more, do more.